How to recover WhatsApp Viewers photo. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can recover the WhatsApp Viewers photo. So let's get started. So let me show you, this is the picture whom I want to recover after seeing this. So simply I'm opening it. Okay, so once you open the Viewers photo, to recover that you have to back from here and head to the three dot just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from here you'll have to go with the settings, and from here you have to scroll down and find storage and data, and as usual from here manage storage. Okay, so now from here you will have to move with the contact whom you want to recover that view once photos. So simply you have to search it. Okay. Okay, so this is the pictures. So likewise, you can also recover the view once photos on WhatsApp. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more videos, please hit the bell icon over there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.